Hello dear students. In the previous video we solved the question that is from question number 1 to question number 9. In this video we will continue it and we will solve from question number 10. So here is question number 10. So the question number 10 tells that an object 5 centimeter length, that means the height of the object is 5 centimeter, is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. 25 centimeter away, that means this is the object distance. Converging lens, that means it is a convex lens. Focal length is 10 centimeter. Now you need to draw the ray diagram and find the position, sign and nature of the image formed. So first we need to draw the ray diagram. Okay, so this is the ray diagram of the given question. Now see, this is the object whose height is 5 centimeter. It is kept at a distance of 25 centimeter from the convex lens, that is converging lens. So this is first ray, it is parallel to the principal axis moving through focus. This is second ray, parallel to passing through the optical center. These two rays will meet at this point where image is formed. Now here this we need to find out what is the image distance, that means this distance. After calculation we will get this result and we will calculate it. And what is height of the image, we need to find out this too. Okay, so let us do our calculation. So as you can see that height of the object is 5 centimeter. Distance of the object from converging lens u is minus 25, as it is from the left hand side, that is minus 25. Focal length of the converging lens is plus 10. Using lens formula, what is lens formula? 1 divided by V minus 1 divided by U equal to 1 divided by F. So we need to find out V. So 1 by V equal to this minus 1 by U comes here. So 1 by F plus 1 by U, putting the respective value, that is 10, U that is 25. So this becomes minus 25. This after solving we will get 16.66 centimeter. Okay. Now also for a converging lens, magnification equal to height of the image divided by height of the object, that is V by U. So height of the image is equal to V divided by U into height of the object. So by putting the respective value here, we will get minus 3.3 centimeter. That means height of the image is 3.3 centimeter. Here minus sign indicates that it is vertically downward. Okay. Thus the image is inverted, formed at a distance of 16.7 centimeter behind the lens and measure 3.3 centimeter. So if we again go to the diagram, you can see here this is the image distance 16.6 centimeter. Rays are actually meeting, so the nature of the image is real. Now the height of the image is 3.3 centimeter. Okay, so this is all about the answer of question number 10. Now let us solve question number 11. Here in question number 11, a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter, focal length is given 15 centimeter, forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Okay. So here there is a concave lens, its focal length is 15 centimeter, where image is formed, image 10 centimeter from the lens, that means image distance is 10 centimeter. How far the object is placed, what is the object distance, that means you need to find out U here. From the lens, draw ray diagram. Here you need to draw ray diagram. So let us solve this question, that is question number 11. So here you can see this is the diagram of the question number 11. This is a concave lens. Okay, so here the focal length of concave lens is equal to minus 15. Focal length is minus 15. So here this is the focal length, this much. This focal length is equal to minus 15. Why we are taking minus here? Because this is the left side of the optical center. Okay. So the image distance V is equal to minus 10. This is also given. So this is minus 15. So this is image distance. this distance is minus 10 image distance. So according to the lens formula, 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. So if you put the respective value in this formula, that is in place of f if you put minus 15 and in place of v if you put minus 10 and calculate it, you will get u equal to minus 30 centimeter. After calculation, you will get u equal to minus 30 centimeter. So what is u? U is the object distance. Okay. So as you know that focal length is equal to minus 15, this is focal length minus 15. So minus 15, so this is minus 30. So this is the distance of the object, minus 30. But as you know that focal length equal to minus 15, so it becomes the center of curvature. This is minus 30, minus 30, this is minus 15, so this becomes the center of curvature. The negative value of u indicates that the object is placed 30 centimeter from the lens, front of the lens. This shows that the following ray diagram. So this is the ray diagram of this answer. Okay. So this is all about question number 11. Now let us solve question number 12. Question number 12 tells that an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror. That means 10 centimeter is the object distance. We have a convex mirror. Its focal length is 15 centimeter. Find the position, nature and of the image. Okay, so let us solve this question. So here it is given that focal length of a convex mirror is 15 centimeter. Focal length is equal to 15 centimeter. You can draw the ray diagram of it. So this is a convex lens. Suppose this is focus. The focal length is 15 centimeter. Object distance, suppose here object is kept. The object distance here, this is u, this distance. Here object distance equal to minus 10 centimeter as because it is on the left hand side. Focal length is plus as because this is on the right hand side. This is minus 10. This is plus 15. So according to mirror formula, 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay. So if you put these value of u and f and calculate, so here you will get v equal to 6 cm. If you calculate, after calculation, you will get this value. Now what is magnification? Magnification m is equal to, you know that, minus v divided by u. So what is the value of v here? V equal to 6. So minus v will be minus 6 divided by u. What is the value of u? Minus 10. So we'll get 0.6. So magnification is 0.6. So the image is located at a distance of 6 centimeter from the mirror. So from the mirror, the image is located at a distance of 6 centimeter. Okay. Here in this side, the image, so this is 15. So image will be located here somewhere at a distance of 6 centimeter. So as because the magnification is less than 1, the size of the image is less than size of the object. So the image is virtual. Okay, why the image is virtual? Because you know that in case of convex lens, if the object is kept in between pole and focus, we'll get a virtual image. Image is virtual. Okay, erect and diminished. This image is virtual, erect and diminished. So this is all about the answer of question number 12. Now let us go to question number 13. So question number 13 tells that the magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. Magnification is +1. What does this mean? This is a very easy question. You can easily solve this. I'm not going to discuss this question. Okay. Then question number 14. An object 5 centimeter in length. That means height of the object is 5 centimeter. Object height, that is S dash, is 5 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30. So this is a convex mirror. This is the principal axis. So this is first focus. This is first center of curvature. This is second focus. This is second center of curvature. Okay. So an object 5 centimeter in height, that is 5 centimeter in length, that is object is 5 centimeter, placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. So as in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30. Here radius of curvature, that means this distance is 30. If this distance is 30, focus being half of this distance, it is 15. So object is placed here somewhere. So if object is placed in between focus and center of curvature, how to draw a ray diagram, I have already explained you. Okay. Now after drawing the ray diagram, you need to find out position of the image and its nature and size. So try to solve this question on your own. Okay. I hope you can solve this question. I have already explained you how to solve it. Now question number 15. An object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18. So height of the object is 7 centimeter. Object distance, that is u, is 27 centimeter. Because this is object distance, it will be minus 27. Focal length is 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that the sharp focused image can be obtained? So here you need to find out the image distance. Find the size and nature of the image. So you can also solve this question on your own. Try to solve this. Okay. I'm not going to solve each and every single question. You should solve some of the questions on your own. Otherwise, how would you know that you are able to solve this question in your exam? Okay. So find the focal length of a lens power minus 2 diopter. What type of lens is this? So what is the to find the type of lens? Okay, you need to find the focal length. So find the focal length. Power is given. Power equal to 1 by focal length. From there you can count focus, and you can find out that whether this is a concave or convex lens. Next question. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. So you know that if the power is minus negative value, then it is one type of lens. If the power is positive value, it is another type of lens. Now you can comment me in the comment section that if the power is negative and positive, which type of lens is it respectively. Find the focal length of the lens. Power is given, so you can find its focal length. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? Okay, you can find it out. Okay, now go through the video again, the previous videos. I think if you watch the previous video where I have explained all these things, you'll be able to solve this question. Some of the questions, 3-4 problems I have already solved, and these questions you try to solve on your own. Okay, but still if you have any doubt, comment me. I will upload another video while solving these questions. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.